Y'all come on into Miss Dana's kitchen. I won.
Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad you joined me today because this is a very special day at our home because we're having a party tonight. So I'm going to show you one of the dishes that we're going to have. Tonight we have about 30 or 40 of our closest friends coming, but really they are friends that are just like family, so it's a really special time. So what we're going to do is have sloppy joes, and I'll show you those in just a minute, and that'll be another video. But tonight I'm going to show you how to roast corn. Our plan was to roast it outside, but it's been raining all day, so I'm roasting it in the oven, which makes it really good as well. So if you have to change your plans at the last minute, just go ahead and change them, and people will love it anyway. So here we go. Whenever you go to the grocery store and you want to buy corn on the cob, what you need to do is take it and peel back the first few little about an inch of the husk off, and make sure that the corn looks pretty like that. Corn is not quite in here yet, so I actually had a hard time finding enough in the husk, but I did find 5, so we'll have those 5. And whenever you want to roast it on the grill, you want to roast it in the husk, but you want to remove the silk. So you just remove it. It's not very hard. You can actually remove it. See, there it is. And then you put some mayonnaise on it. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Can you believe you put mayonnaise on corn? But it makes it so tender. And then you just fold it back up and roast it on the grill like that. So, but this is what we did tonight. So I had corn that was already husked. And it actually looks really pretty too. So what we did first was, here's the corn. And you just brush it with mayonnaise.
We got people coming in for the party.
We do have people coming in. It's time for the party. But brush it. What I did was I brushed all one side, and then rolled it over and brushed all the other sides. Makes it a little bit easier like that. And then you sprinkle it with salt, and you put it in the oven at 350.
Hello, we're doing a video for the party. Come on in.
Sweet friends and their babies. Hello. That's perfect. Hey, sugar. I'm so glad you're here.
We got some corn in a minute.
So what you want to do is roast it at 350 for about 30 minutes. Now that sounds like a long time, but it's kind of like cooking Louisiana food low and slow. It makes it super tender and juicy. And this is the way it looks whenever you get it out of the oven. That just has mayonnaise and a little bit of salt on it. And then I'm making some compound butter, so I'll show you how we're going to make that. Now, of course, you know I love Steens, and so I thought, wouldn't it be fun to have a butter that was a little bit sweet and with a little heat in it, and then you could enjoy both, and it would kind of taste like, almost like maybe a waffle. But you know, corn has a lot of natural sweetness, and so it blends with it so well. So here's our butter, a little messy. You know, I'm a messy cook. It's okay. And then there's Nico. So this is first party here, y'all. I'm so excited. And he looks so cute. I'll have to show y'all in a minute. I've got a 1/4 cup of Steen syrup. And this is the original syrup that's real dark and got a really wonderful flavor. Have you ever had Steen syrup, Braylee?
Yes.
I think you've had it over here before.
You cook with it all the time.
I do cook with it all the time. And so you just mix it together and stir, stir, stir until it's mixed all together. Come on in. And then this is what it looks like after you're done. Now, I want to make it with a little heat in it. So I put about 1, 2, 3.
And 1 is really 3 dashes.
Okay.
So you do about 6
of
dashes
hot
at least.
sauce. And about what you need to do is learn how to measure like a teaspoon and a 1/2 teaspoon in your palm. It makes it a whole lot easier. So this is about a 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. So I'll mix that in and then whip it together, and it'll be really beautiful like this is. Now another thing that you can do with your corn is put lime juice in it. So I've zested a lime, and remember to always zest your limes before you cut them, because once you cut them, they're really hard to zest. It's not you, it's because the limes are cut. And this makes it really pretty too. Another really good thing to remember is that if you are juicing your lime, you can put it in the microwave for about 5 seconds, and it makes the juice come out much better. Or you can stick a fork in. You heard that little saying. Hey, Jeff! Hey, y'all come over here and taste it. It's beautiful. Hey, Jeff, my sweet friend Jeff. Now, they moved here from Texas the same time I did, and you can read about them in my book.
Hook 'em horns.
Yeah.
Was that gratuitous?
And we've been friends ever since we both first moved here. Friends all for him, family. And his mother's here from. Yes. I'm so glad to see you.
Texas. This looks fabulous.
Thank you. Okay, we're doing a little video.
I love it.
But who else better to be on videos than y'all? So here is the butter with lime juice and lime zest. So you have 2 compound butters. They are actually making faces at me. And hi, Betsy. You can serve these with your corn. So here's your corn. Here are these yummy butters. Let's give it a taste. Well, actually, I think I'm going to taste the steamed syrup one. Isn't this pretty, y'all? It's just such a beautiful color. You want to taste it, John? It's corn with compound butter made with steamed syrup and hot sauce.
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You get the whole thing.
Get the whole thing. Janine got that corn. It was really nice and juicy, isn't it? You know why? Because I roasted it really slow. And then put that yummy stuff on it. Can't beat it.
Can't beat it.
Right. Okay. Thank y'all for joining me today. We're going to go party. I hope that you love this time of year. We do. We just love this time of year. We love Steens. Thanks so much to them for sponsoring me. My cookbooks are for sale on my blog, and I have one that's really for this time of year called You Are My Southern Sunshine, and it has corn recipes and shrimp recipes and recipes that are in season now, so you can get that. You can get it at Miss Dana's Kitchen. Thanks, y'all. See you next time.
Bon appetit, y'all.
This is my new grandbaby, Nico. Nico Leo Latto. Nicholas Leonidas Latto. What a name. Leo for the lion and the lamb.
Oh, wonderful.
And I know, and that's the sweetest thing ever. So this is his first Miss Dana's party. So yeah, I'm all ready.
You're going to have many parties with
Yes.
this grandmother.
That's right, and mostly probably for him, right?
Probably so. Yes, you are a blessed little boy. Yes, you are.